Welcome to LYRAXIS AI Airdrop. So I was waiting patiently to bring you guys a video on how to claim your airdrop. TGE was supposed to start today, 20th of November at 8 p.m. So I waited patiently for that time to clock. Unfortunately, it has been extended by 2 days now. Claiming is on the 22nd of November. So there's a countdown timer here, as you can see. 1 day, 12 hours, 32 minutes and some seconds. Get ready to claim your allocated tokens on November 22nd. Got it? Let's go. So you can actually see your allocation right here on the home page. You can check your eligibility status. Mine shows here that I am qualified, right? So my claimable 75% is 64,499. That's what will be available for me to claim, while 21,500, making 25%, will be locked. Only 86k, which is 85,999 LYXIS of my tokens have been considered valid, whereas 20,100 invalid earnings, right? So maybe because of inactive referrals or something. So my active referrals are 257. Utility lock information, of course, we already read that. So claim airdrop, it's not working. Claiming will start on the 22nd, right? So that's what's up. Now the other concerns are we going to be paying some token to claim this? Of course, very possible. Gas fees, right? Gas fee will be required. This is a Ton blockchain network, and the wallet you connected is a Ton wallet as well. So it looks like you're going to need to fund this wallet with some amount of Ton to be able to claim. Even as we speak, there is nothing really incredible about this project to say this is why we believe in it. This is, no, we can't say that yet, right? Because we are just at the stage where, projects we make themselves look good only to surprise you. So now they haven't come out properly to tell us that this is the amount of ton we need. Who knows, they might come out and say we should pay 10 ton. Just imagine that, right? So if the gas fee is ridiculous, that's where I am going to move, right? I'm going to move. I don't know about you, but I don't like airdrops that requires payment. Let's hope they're talking about, like 1 cent worth of ton. Yeah, that's understandable, right? So for now, they have not disclosed the amount of ton that we needed for gas fee. The next thing is listing price. Guys, what do you think would be the LYXIS listing price? So here it says that listing date is in November. So TGE was supposed to be on the 20th of November, right? Datasets training, public training of models in December. However, since the airdrop, token generation event has been extended, we don't know if that will apply to the rest of the events or just this one. Guys, this is the updates. LYRAXIS airdrop claim has been postponed by 2 days. So in 1 day to 12 hours, 27 minutes and some seconds, we will find out if we're actually going to pay some ridiculous amount or we're going to claim at some minimal gas fee. So that'll be all for now, guys. Farming has come to an end. Go check your wallet, and right here on your dashboard you can see if you're eligible or not, right? Thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video.